This old fella here should be a warning to us all that if you smoke pot every day for 600 years, this could be us.
Okay. Who am I talking to?
Not entirely sure, but it would be me.
And your name is?
It's right there in bold letters in the front.
I see a judge and a period, a J and a period.
Yes.
I don't know your name.
It's all there.
Okay, that's all there.
Yes, that's all there. Your Honor, today's the date and time set for, I believe, competency.
And so far, that competency is looking pretty bleak.
So this is a special hearing, right?
Yes.
I come here for what they call that thing, judge jury thing. That's today?
Today is the competency on your case.
I didn't ask for that. I asked for a judge.
There's a
Or
judge
jury.
today. There's a judge today present.
Got one.
We got one today.
To do a jury, what is that the thing called, a judge? I had a stroke.
Yes, sir, Mr. Dabney.
So I have names.
Let me help you out here. You're very welcome, sir.
I come for a jury. What do they call that? A thing when they got
A trial.
trial,
Yes.
attorney by trial, attorney by trial?
We're going to get through this today,
I thought that was today.
not today.
Why not?
That's another part of the process. Okay. We're going to help get through
I just
this.
need
Every day for 600 years.
I just need to get the process going. What's who the guys, the police officers?
There are police officers, there's a judge.
Are they
there
gonna be here?
attorneys. I don't believe they're here today. Okay.
Mr. Dabney?
We get them named in?
We're going to try to get them there. We're going to do a lot of stuff in your case. Okay. But today is for competency. Okay.
I don't need that.
Yeah.
Well, the judge is going to help us figure that out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hi,
Hi. You good?
your first name is? Okay,
Well,
what's going on?
it kind of is.
What's going on?
What's going on?
Yes.
Well, we're waiting on a report on your case. We don't have it.
What, you said again, a report?
A report on your case regarding competency.
I think his original charge was shitting his nappy.
So that then once we get that, we hopefully can move the case along.
Okay, then we're gonna do that at a different time?
We're going to do it at a different time.
Well, can we move?
Pardon?
Can we move
Can we move
to another time?
to another day?
Yes,
I'd be more than happy to.
thank you.
All right. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to adjourn this competency hearing. 1 month out is what, the 18th, 19th, 20th, June.
Yes.
So I'll move the competency hearing to June 20th, 2024 at 9 a.m. Okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome, Mr. Deb.
I did not ask for that.
You didn't ask for what?
Whatever you got there, right there. What is this thing you're getting ready to do? I didn't sign up for that.
Oh, I know, but yes, you did.
Oh, yes,
Yeah, no, okay. I signed you up for it.
you signed me up.
Yep, I did.
By what case number?
By what case number? This case number.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Move on.
Yeah, we'll
We'll
move
talk
on.
about it outside, Mr. Deb.
All right.
Okay.
Fine,
You wanna take
continue.
that for you?
Hmm?
You want to take this for you?
Take it, please.
Yes, sir. All right. There you go. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Dabney. Have a
Thank
great
you
day.
kindly, Judge. Appreciate that.
Yeah, put the hat back on. All right, go ahead. Get it wrong.
He seems like such a lovely old man. I really do wish he gets off on those terrorism charges, as that and the whole diaper rash thing is keeping him from being the astronaut he was born to be. This case exemplifies one of the reasons why people love Cedrick, and I have to admit, this case shows that he is a pretty cool dude.
Defender Lauren Kearney on behalf of Mr. Hunter. Mr. Hunter, can you unmute and state your name?
Reginald Hunter.
Mr. Blair on behalf of probation. Your Honor, Mr. Hunter is scheduled before the court for a review hearing on a prosecutor deferred sentence. Mr. Hunter has all terms completed accepting the monies. Mr. Hunter as the court remembers, was not in good standing initially. And the court has worked with him. Mr. Hunter has reported to me and has stayed in communication with the probation department. He actually came in and made another payment to this court on Monday of $60. His owing balance currently is $458. I know that Mr. Hunter was working not only with this court, but with 14B as well. So he's trying to stay compliant with both courts. Given that Mr. Hunter has made a drastic change from when he first started, is now reporting and, attempting to make payments, probation is recommending that the court extend the prosecution's deferred sentence one more time for a period of 5 months, that Mr. Hunter paid $58 by the end of this month, July 31st, then $100 per month, that he continue all terms as previously ordered, with a new review hearing date being set December 11th, 2024 at 9 a.m. And I'm not sure if Mr. Hunter wants to explain more of why he couldn't have this balance paid by today. I'll leave that up to you.
No objection from us. Mr. Hunter, would you like to say something to the court?
Yes, the reason I have not been paying is because I'm going through a lot with, I'm getting custody of my daughter now. And so I had to buy her a bed and all new clothes and everything. So that's why I haven't been paying. And I have been taking care of 14, is that B? And plus child support is taking majority off my money. So that's why I haven't been paying so much.
Your Honor, I think that there was a situation.
Go ahead.
I think that there was a situation where Mr. Hunter had to take on full custody of his daughter.
Right.
So there was an issue there. And so he had to get his home in order, and it had to be inspected to make sure that his child was coming and everything was, as expected. Yeah. Or required.
Hunter, what caused you to grow up?
I have a daughter now.
I'm gonna be honest with you. I thought for sure that we were gonna come down to a day I was just gonna have to throw you in jail.
Did that once.
I know I threw him in jail once, but I just thought I was gonna have to give out the remit. What changed you? Your daughter?
Yes.
How old's your daughter?
She's 6 now.
And all you're doing is trying to just take care of her.
Just keep her happy. Because her relative just passed away. So I'm trying to keep her happy the most I can.
How much has he paid total?
It's like 2 something.
You got any? You got the one thing out there pending at 14B. How's that going?
All I have to do is finish community service, then I'm off probation. So I'm doing community service for them.
Your Honor, the fine started originally at $605. His balance is $458.
Okay, got it. But he just came in and made a voluntary payment, right? I mean,
He has been. He made a payment in May, although it was small. And then, again, there was the issues with the death of the sibling, and now he has his daughter. And so he wasn't able to pay because he had to get his home, things in his home, and it had to be, signed off by CPS. And so he was in communication with me about what was going on. And obviously, I wanted his money to go to get his home in order. And then he came up and brought a $60 payment because he wanted to show the court that he is trying.
Hunter, what have you learned from this case?
To stop doing dumb things and to stop using drugs and alcohol and to better my behavior.
And you're going to pass that along to your daughter?
Yes, I am.
And I don't know that there's any more that I can ask from you. So here's what I'm going to do. But if you show back, I got a long memory. You know that, right?
Yes, sir.
You show back up in my court, we're going to have a problem. But now you're being a father, you're trying to do the right thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to waive the entirety of the balance in this case. I'm going to dismiss this case under the prosecutor's deferred sentence, discharge you from probation, and close this case out. You go take care of that 6-year-old girl.
Thank you.
You're
Good
welcome.
luck to you, Mr.
Thank you, Teresa.
Take care, man.
You too.
You gotta admit, with or without the glasses, he's a pretty smooth judge. Drop us a like if you agree. Welcome to my channel, Off the Record, where I hand select the finest of court cases of the US of A, and then I remove everything that bores the hell out of me, such as the mandatory readings into the record and all the other legalese, and I also cut out any pauses where the judge reads in silence or they are waiting on responses that never come, and I do this for my subscribers, to pay them respect. Or if my subscribers are going to spend their time with me on my channel, then that time shall be well spent. So please subscribe, and I will do my best never to waste your valuable time. Please check out what I mean by clicking the episode on screen now, and I promise I won't waste your time.